I don't know if I can see them roll or not.
All over there with your
Oh yeah. Oh, I got one. I got one. Ooh, look at the size of this puppy. We need to back up. We're getting too close. You like my pretend acting there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
It is.
Take that one out. I mean, it's not a monster, but it's just a real nice fish. They're headed back that way again. I think we're in for an epic night.
Yeah, I'm hoping we are.
Well, last night was pretty amazing. And this is 2 decent ones already.
Yeah.
Whoopsie-daisy. Oh, dang it. I hooked him in the belly when I tried to release him. There he was barely hooked.
Oh, look at that one.
That's the one I just let go.
Oh, okay.
I won't tease you too hard.
Oh, I'm used to it. But I'm not used to being the one who's not catching the fish. When I go with my friends, I'm usually the one who catches the fish. Yep, they're in the shade.
They're in the shade. They're made in the shade. That wasn't a real big one. Are you throwing sinking pool?
Yeah.
Throw that right back where that fish jumped, and 90% of the time they'll take a sinking pool after missing the topwater. He was a little bit more to the right. Kind of almost in front of the first post there.
Oh, yeah.
On that.
Okay.
Shall we have a little fishing derby? $1 for the first fish, $1 for the biggest fish, and $1 for the most fish?
I would say that, but my wallet's at the house. I'm like, well, fishing game comes.
My wallet's at the house too.
Yeah.
I'm not really worried about it.
Yeah. I've had fishing game come down there.
I have never seen fishing game even at one of the more popular lakes. The only place I've ever seen a fishing game guy is on Lake Pend Oreille.
This guy came all the way down here. And
that's bizarre.
He was a nice guy.
Did he say what his name was?
Yeah, but I forgot. I'm not very good with names.
You remember my name?
I just always call you the fishing fool. Rick?
Yeah, good job. Well, I am the fishing fool. I answer to that. I prefer not just fool, but
Yeah.
I see some smaller ones over here. Oh, here comes a bigger one. He's after it too.
Oh, yep. Oh.
He was after it. I saw him. Oh, there's a nice one. There's a nice one coming right toward your bait.
Really?
See him right there? 2 of them. They're right in this little
yeah.
channel.
Yep.
Sit down. They can see you. The bait got too close. I should have pulled it away from him quicker and then recasted it.
Oh.
Well, by the time he hit, he was right too close to the boat for me to wait long enough.
Oh. Yep, there they go.
There's one going that way. Oh, he's coming after my bait. He's coming after my bait. I think it's sinking full time.
What color do you like to use, like, during this time of day? Like, just whatever they're biting?
Got him? Got him?
No? Where'd it go?
general rule in bass fishing, the brighter the day, the lighter the color.
Okay.
The darker the day, the darker the color. So you want to, in bright sunny days, you want to fish whites, chartreuses, hot pinks, things like that.
Okay.
In twilight, you want to fish your greens, browns, and other things like that. They're willing to chase. Okay, I'm going to go back to a thinking fool.
Yeah.
Where's that pack of white ones that I handed you? I want to... This is how we were doing it, and we would actually watch the fish jump, swim right up and grab the bait.
Really?
Yeah, it was just so cool. So they're all out that direction somewhere.
Yep. I bet you're right there by that
Oh,
beaver.
there's one right there.
Right where? Oh, yep. Wait, he might be going for it. No.
Nope, he
He
swam
thought
away.
about it.
There's a couple of them right there. Did we actually catch one here or not?
No.
We saw some, but
Yep.
they're too spooked now, I think. They're not going to hit.
Yeah. That's my problem with fishing with Quinn. Like, I'll be like, alright Quinn, there's a good spot right there. Don't go through it with your boat, let's fish it. And he goes right through it usually. It's like, are you
You just
serious?
have to, I mean, you got to stay out and away from these places.
Yeah. You gotta fish where the fish are. Oh man. Oh, you hit it.
Oh, we did! Now, was that cool or not? That's a big one.
Heck yeah. This is like the first nice fish I've ever caught on this rod and reel.
I'm going to,
Oh!
oh shit, I was just coming over there to try to get him.
He was too hung up.
There he goes.
That was a nice fish.
That was a good one. That was a 4-pounder.
Ah, dang.
You saw him hit the bait.
Yep. I watched him go right up to it. And oh. Yeah, now she's splitting half. Oh, that's it, right?
It'll still work. I didn't think he would bite. I think he just...
I wanted him.
I was trying to get over there so you wouldn't lose him too, but
Should have set the...
if you're running braid, you need to pull harder on them.
Yeah.
You got braid right to the hook, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you should have cranked on him harder
Really?
to get him up out of those weeds.
Yeah, that's right. Alright.
Once they get in those, because if you're running braid, they're not going to break off.
Yeah.
You need to get their head up and keep them coming. Oh,
Hit it.
I think I got that on video as well.
Yeah? Dang, that was a nice fish too.
I don't know how much I was actually... I know I was looking at it and watched him take it to the video camera, but I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it or not, because it doesn't have polarized lens.
Yeah.
So it can't see in the water like what we are. Is my red light still on?
Yep.
And we got some kind of video of it.
Alright.
Should be interesting.
Yeah.
I'm going to go over into this next little hole over here where we haven't spooked the fish all to death. Well, they move around.
Yeah. They definitely
Now, the last time I was here, that first hole, there were so many fish, there wasn't any in there.
Huh.
But all those brook trout weren't there either.
Okay.
And I think that's why the bass are there, so they can run out and grab one of those once in a while.
Probably.
I'm going to move over here into the shade. I'm cooking. No, this isn't quite as deep here. That's maybe the problem.
Maybe. Nope. Wasn't deep, man. They were.
Last night, John missed a fish, and I cast back there, and it was the biggest fish of the night.
Really?
But he caught more fish than I had. He was kind of bragging about it, so I had to get even.
Yeah.
I caught numbers of fish, but he'd been catching the bigger ones.
Oh.
I've been catching that pound and a halfer after pound and a halfer, and he was catching 3-pounders and 3-pounders and 3-pounders.
Oh.
And then he caught the one that was like 4, and the biggest one I caught was like 2.
Huh.
And so I just stole his fish.
Man, I wish I could have got that decent one that I had on.
Oh, you're going to catch a big one tonight. Look at the wind, grab my blind and just pull it.
Yep.
I want to see a fish grab my line and pull it. Yep, I think we need to go to the next hole. There doesn't appear to be anything here. The first 2 were pretty good, though.
Yeah. The first one was really good. Oh, there's one. There's one. There they are. Unless those are not bass.
What are you seeing?
To the left of the log.
Left of the log.
Yeah, they were like right over there.
I'm not seeing anything, but
They just... No, there was 2. I don't know what they were. They were pretty close.
Oh.
Yeah. If you get a little closer, oh good, there's like a deep spot right a little bit further there. Yeah, that is him.
I still don't see the fish you're talking about.
I don't see them anymore, but they were swimming by. Yeah, I don't see
If they were bass, you'd think they would have
hammered that thing.
hit by now.
Yep. There's actually a surprisingly large amount of bass that sit in the shallow stuff in these weeds.
Yep.
It's really hard to fish them.
I caught a bunch in here out kind of a little farther down
Yeah.
in the stuff that's out here in the middle.
Oh, okay.
I caught some really nice ones out in there.
Huh.
And some of these you can actually sight fish. You can spot them out there and cast to them. Oh, damn!
What?
Big
Oh,
fish!
yeah.
Just out here in the middle of nowhere.
Yep. I do that all the time coming through here. They'll just randomly be there.
Out here in the shallow flat. This reminds me of bone fishing.
Bone fishing?
Yeah.
Isn't that ocean?
Yeah, they're fish that they hang out in salt water on flats about 2 feet deep.
Oh.
And the guys fish with them out of those push-pull boats, you know, where
Okay.
they got the guy up top high spotting and say, "There's one over there."
Yep. They're out here, huh? But yeah, I've become a firm believer in these lures, fishing pools.
Thinking
Right.
pools.
You keep selling to me for $5 a pack, I might start getting you some more people to buy them.
I haven't had a single fisherman yet that didn't absolutely love them.
Yeah?
You know, if I can get somebody to try them,
Yeah.
they all love them.
Oh, okay. Eat full.
Oh yeah. Did you cast into those pads or the reeds?
Cast to the edge of them.
There's a fish. Can't tell what it is, it just took off. Oh, I got one!
Oh, nice.
And it's a good one!
Hey!
Told you there was fish out here.
Yeah. That is a nice one.
That's not a huge, but it's a decent one. We'll take him. Oh, there he goes. He got away.
Oh.
I had him a good film though, so we'll consider him caught. Yep. You wouldn't think that these guys would be out here in this bright sunshine like this. Just amazes me. But I was whacking them out here the other night. Just. You know, just a little bit of cover, like those little bit of pencil reeds, and they're there.
Yeah.
Like in this set here, I caught a bunch of fish. I'm not seeing them like I was yesterday. You could just see them out there everywhere.
Really? Probably because they're in those deep holes. So, oh, there's one right there.
I don't see where you're seeing, but
I just dropped my bait.
a good one, or? Oh, yeah, I see it too. That is so neat when you can just watch them eat the bait. They don't seem horribly willing to commit to topwater.
You hit it again, but not very hard. Come on, buddy.
You got a little fish chasing that.
All the little ones can be like that.
Oh, there's a good one.
Nice.
Get out from under the boat. Boy, when he hit like a ton of bricks.
That's on. Oh.
Swim bait. That's a good one. I'll take that.
Come on now, come here, Mike.
Swing batter. Oh, there we go. Another good one. Okay, let's see if I can get you to jump for me.
Oh, that's really
Hmm?
They're all sitting right here on this edge. Bunching like that.
Oh yeah, I see that one.
Yeah,
There.
too.
Oh, there's one. I saw him come out. He's not big, but he sure attacked that thing.
Yeah,
Just come flying out of the weeds.
yeah.
I never saw him until he just all of a sudden just rocket shipped out of the weeds.
Huh.